the tricks. She asked me, can I spell the word evict?
Why me love?
Situation's looking kinda bad.
Why me love?
I lost the best girl I ever had.
Why me love?
I'm homeless and I'm feeling kinda sad.
Why